structure for do so. Luckily, the structure for do so is very simple. It changes just like any other verb. Let's have a look at the structure now. You can change the form of do so to suit the tense you want to express. Change it like any other verb. Here is the first form. Do so or does so is the present simple. For example, I go for a jog every morning. When I do so, I make sure I push myself to the limit. Notice I've used the present simple do so because this is a regular habit of mine. I go for a jog every morning. The next form is did so, the past simple. The old man stared at me with a smile on his face. As he did so, he handed me a package. In this example, I've used the past simple form, did so. And here is another form, have or has done so. This is the present perfect. For example, the boss wants you to finish all this work as soon as possible. When you have done so, you should see him in his office. Those are just a few examples of the tenses that you can use, but you can use any English tense. You can use going to, I'm going to do so. You can use will, I will do so. You can use the present continuous, I'm doing so. So use do so like this. Just change it like any other verb. Change the do part. The so part of the structure always remains the same. Just change do to suit the tense of the sentence that you're writing or uttering. So that's the structure. Now move on to the things to note.